Hi everyone, welcome back to Design Craft channel. Today, we're crocheting a beautiful Christmas star, a simple sweet ornament that will instantly brighten up your tree, your gifts, or any festive corner at home. This little star works up quickly, uses very little yarn, and is perfect for adding that magical Christmas sparkle to your decorations. So get your yarn and hook ready, and let's start creating this adorable Christmas star together. Here are the tools you'll need for today's project: 4-ply cotton yarn, a 3mm crochet hook, a pair of scissors, a needle, a stuffing tool, and a marker if you need one. And a 14mm bell or a smaller one will work perfectly. Let's start with the star body. Pick up your yellow yarn and begin by making 25 chains. Make sure your chains are even and not too tight, so the shape forms nicely later. Once you're done with the 25 chains, make a slip stitch into the first chain to form a round. Make sure the chain isn't twisted before you join. Then we're ready to move on to round 1. For round 1, start with a chain 1. Then work 1 single crochet. In the next stitch, work 1/2 double crochet and 1 double crochet all in the same stitch. In the video, you'll notice that I jump straight to the second point of the star. I actually forgot to record the first point, but no worries. The pattern is exactly the same, so you can just continue and follow the written pattern as usual. Next, make 1 triple crochet. Then work 1 double crochet and 1/2 double crochet all in the same stitch. And then 1 single crochet. That completes the 1 point of the star. Repeat this exact pattern 5 times to form all 5 points. When you're done, slip stitch into the first stitch to close the round. For round 2, start with a chain 1. Then work 2 single crochets. In the next stitch, make 1/2 double crochet and 1 double crochet together. In the following stitch, work 1 double crochet, 1 triple crochet, and 1 double crochet, all in the same stitch. Then in the next stitch, work 1 double crochet and 1/2 double crochet in the same stitch. Follow that with 2 single crochets. That completes 1 full point of the star again. Repeat this pattern 5 times to form all 5 points of round 2. Slip stitch into the first stitch to finish the round. Cut the yarn, pull it out, and leave a long tail for sewing. Then make another piece using the same pattern. Before we join both star pieces together, let's work on the little decoration scarf. Choose any color you like. Start with 4 chains. For row 1, make a chain 1. Then insert your hook into the back bump of the first chain, yarn under, and pull through. Insert into the next back bump, yarn under, pull through. Repeat this for the remaining 2 chains. Now you should have 5 loops on your hook. Now, gently remove the hook from all 5 loops, but keep the loops secured on your finger so they don't slip off. For row 2, we're going to change color. Insert your hook back into the first loop, yarn over and pull through. Then insert into the second loop, yarn over and pull through. Repeat the same technique across all 5 loops until you once again have 5 loops on your hook. Next, remove the hook from all 5 loops again, keeping them in place. Now change color and repeat the same technique across the row. Insert into each loop, yarn over and pull through until you have 5 loops back on your hook. For row 3, change color and repeat the same technique across the row. Remove the hook from all 5 loops again, keeping them in place. Insert into each loop, yarn over and pull through. Just keep repeating these short rows, switching colors whenever you like, until your scarf reaches the length you want. Here, I worked around 52 rows. Alright, for the last row, stick with the same yarn color. Yarn over and pull through the first loop, then yarn over and pull through 2 loops on your hook. Keep repeating. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, all the way to the end. And that's it. Your scarf is all done. Now just cut the yarn, weave in the ends, and hide them. Super simple. Now we can assemble the star. Take the 2 star pieces and place them together with the right sides facing out. Begin sewing around the edge. You can start from the outer corner or the inner corner. Just choose whichever feels easier for you. As you sew, remember to add small amounts of polyester fiber little by little. The space inside is quite tiny, so it's much easier to fill gradually instead of waiting until the very end. After that, place the Christmas bell right at the center. It adds such a lovely festive touch. Finally, tie the scarf on the middle. Use the yarn to secure it in place. And that's it. Our star ornament is finished. So cute, so quick, and so fun to make. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial as much as I enjoyed creating it. And that's all for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed making this cute little star with me. If you followed along, I hope you had fun crocheting with me today. Christmas is just around the corner, so let's fill the days with warmth, creativity, and a bit of yarn magic. Other ornaments will be coming soon, so make sure to stay tuned. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you won't miss the next cozy project. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. Merry Christmas and happy crocheting!